into this MSME, and one of their problems is that they're experiencing stamp outs of the packaging materials. We did some investigation, talking to the particular person involved. So he's doing it, the inventory manually, and then for the data collection part, he has this Google Sheet with so many tabs. And for example, this is material A of different sizes. It's all in that particular tab, and then for the next material, another tab. So probably pretty much around 20 tabs, let's just say, with about average 3 different sub SKUs. So it's really a messy job. So fast forward, so I step in and then I ask him whether do you want your work to be faster, easier, better? So I explained to him, if we do this and that, your work will be easier, the owner of the business will be happy. So what we did, because my background is also in industrial engineering, so we just applied an additional tab wherein all the information would be called from the different tabs, and then there's a top sheet there. By line item, you see what's the actual inventory, what's the reorder point, do you need, so we just put some formulas, do you need to order now, what's the minimum amount that you can order, something like that. And so after that, they're not experiencing blackout anymore, and the owner of the business is happy.